Good morning, and thank you very much for the opportunity to present here our company within this great OIS meeting. Novaliq is a Germany-based drug delivery company transforming poorly soluble drugs into effective ocular therapeutics, utilizing our AAO technology. The story behind the innovation are so-called semi-fluorinated alkanes. This is a unique crystal clear liquid, completely water-free, with exceptional physicochemical properties. We are focusing strategy-wise on two pillars. On the one hand, the OTC development, on the other hand, the RX development with this drug delivery technology. We have developed best-in-class products, had recently launched the first eye lubricant based on this technology in Europe in October this year, and we are ready to enter into a phase 2 clinical study with our main candidate on the RX side, CyclASol. We are a well-funded and experienced team in Heidelberg, Germany based, and we have meanwhile raised 32 million euros in capital. What are the advantages? What are the unique properties of this AAO drug delivery technology? It's a water-free, crystal clear liquid, therefore you don't need any preservatives, despite using standard multi-dropping bottles. The refractive index is very close, it's more or less similar to that of water, and it's a low viscous liquid, so you don't have any blurring sensation. The wettability is extremely high as surface tension is a very low one, so wettability and spreading capacity is perfect. This is what you like to have in eye drops. It's an amphiphilic nature, so you can solve poorly soluble drugs, in particular highly lipophilic drugs, and it moreover stabilizes the drug as it is water-free. For example, there is no hydrolysis at all. Again, due to its physicochemical properties, the droplet size is very small. It's roughly four times smaller than the water droplet, and therefore fits perfectly into the cul-de-sac. Here we have shown some examples out of our vast library of drugs. All these drugs are considered as poorly soluble and of very high relevance in ophthalmology. And all these drugs here shown can be solved in our AAO technology. Here our ophthalmic pipeline divided in two parts, RX and OTC. Our main RX product by far is called CyclASol. It's a cyclosporine formulation with excellent phase 1 results, now entering into clinical phase 2 in the US. And we have addressed, moreover, the main major markets in ophthalmology, which is glaucoma, of course, and retinal diseases. Talking about the OTC pillar, already mentioned, we brought one product into the market in October, which the brand name is Novatears. We'll come back to this. And we have another in the pipeline in which we will add omega-3 fatty acids, which is of high relevance when we are talking about tear film stability. Coming to the CyclASol product profile, it's a clear ophthalmic solution of cyclosporine, so it's not an emulsion. We have a very solid IP position in the major markets, US and Europe. We don't need any irritating tensines or other excipients to stabilize the drug in the liquid. This is usually needed, therefore all the known cyclosporine formulations are somehow milky. Our formulation is crystal clear as we don't need these additional excipients, which lead moreover to irritation of the eye, usually. So it's a crystal clear solution. It's improved tolerability due to absence of irritating excipients as needed in emulsions. No blurring and a very easy handling. It's a convenient multi dropping bottle, preservative-free, of course. The vehicle which carries this cyclosporine drug is a so-called semifluorinated alkane, in this case F4H5, or more in detail, perfluorobutylpentane. It's a colorless liquid with a high vapor pressure, physically, chemically, and physiologically inert. No catabolism nor metabolism in the human body takes place. It has a low surface tension and it dissipates within minutes from the ocular surface. Showing or explaining you our clinical development, in this slide we have very positive results coming out of a phase 1 study. It is a 0.05% solution of cyclosporine, and the eye drops were safe and well tolerated. It's a first and only clear solution based on our technology dealing with cyclosporine, and we are in preparation for phase 2 in the US and have already filed the IND, and we will see first patient in first quarter 2016. Compared to the existing cyclosporine drugs, for example Restasis and Ecurvis, we have seen in the preclinics earlier onset of action, a very important finding, an excellent safety and side effect profile. It is available in preservative-free multi-dropping bottles, and the spreading and wettability capacities are overwhelming. We have moreover seen superior pharmacokinetics, a proven long-term stability, and as already mentioned, we have a very broad and solid patent protection. Our first OTC product was launched in October, 1st of October in Berlin during the biggest ophthalmic meeting in Germany. Our exclusive license partner for Europe is a leading European eye drop company, Ursa, as well as a German company. So the partnership covers whole Europe, and we are open and looking for further partners in markets outside Europe. With this CE marked product, we have done after CE mark a so-called clinical observational study with really impressive results. So the symptom red eyes went down from 22 to 9, itching from 18 to 7, clotted eyes from 9 to 1, headache 2 to 1, and stringy mucus from 2 to 0, which is really for a CE mark, just a CE mark product, unbelievable. And this data was recently published by one of the key investigators, Philip Steven. So to summarize, this clinical study shows significant improvement in signs and symptoms of dry eye disease, and the patients were really highly satisfied. The next product in our OTC pipeline is this Novatears product, plus adding omega-3 fatty acids to stabilize the lipid layer of the tear film. Most of dry eye patients, in particular the patients with evaporative dry eye, have an insufficient tear film or insufficient lipid layer of the tear film, leading to a fast, by far too fast evaporation of the underlying aqueous phase. So this is what we are going to do with this omega-3 formulation, which is a crystal clear one, despite omega-3 fatties are considered as extremely lipophilic. Usually you can just formulate them in an emulsion. And it's a preservative-free multi-dose dropping bottle again, and without any excipients, with good stability data, and we are expecting the CE mark quarter 2 next year. In summary, Novaliq offers a compelling water-free drug delivery opportunity to enhance the performance of ocular drug delivery. It's the new generation of RX and OTC products based on unique and proprietary properties of these ISOL technologies. And Novaliq welcomes invitation, of course, to enter into discussions on development or partnership opportunities. Thank you very much for your attention.